Most ad agencies will charge anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 a month. And the biggest thing they're getting paid for is knowing what's working right now in your market. We're going to replace that entirely today with Claude Code. The system that we're going to have Claude Code build for us today is where you upload your product. It's going to scrape all of the highest performing ads within your niche. It tells you exactly why they're working, the hook, the copy, the angle, the offer, everything you need to know about why the highest performing ads are working. Claude Code is going to do all of that for you. After that, it's going to generate you a ready to use ad asset for your product based on all of that knowledge that it has combined. We're going to do all of this with one prompt that I'm going to leave down below in the second link in the description. It's an 80-page prompt which took us hours to build, and over here is the dashboard that we've built. So if you take a look over here, we've already generated some ads, but if we want to do the research on a new product, which is basically what an ad agency does, we click new product up here. When we click new product, you can see it pops up this form, a form in which we have to fill out. For me, I'm going to drop in an image of that creatine again. Let's say that's the ecom product that we're working with. So let's come over here and grab that image. So you can see we can drop that product in. We put in the product name. Let's say creatine monohydrate. The niche is going to be supplements. For the selling point, we can just drop in the product description. So let's drop that. Let's paste that in here and let's press create product. When we do that, you can see it pops this up here. Now the key part about this is what it does from here on. Firstly, down here you can see we can run the scraper, which is going to find all of the highest performing ads. In here, all we have to put in is a search keyword, and for us, obviously it's going to be creatine monohydrate. So let's copy this, let's paste it down here, and maybe let's put in powder. When we press run on this, it's going to scrape 10 ads, as you can see here. And where it's going to scrape these ads is the meta ads library over here. Now, if you don't know what meta ads library is, it's basically a place where Meta stores all of the ads that have previously ran and that are currently running. It also stores all of the information on that ad, like how many people saw the ad, and it gives us a very good idea on what are high performing ads based on impressions. So for us, let's say for example, we are looking in the US. So let's look up here, United States, category, all ads, and let's search up creatine. And when we search it up, it presents us this entire library of ads that are currently running. We can click into this ad and basically see how well this ad is doing for this company. We just click the drop down here and you can see it tells us exactly how many people have been reached with this ad. This is a key factor for us on which ads are performing well. That's exactly what the app that we've built is going to do. If we jump over here, you can see it has scraped the 11 top ads. We come over here to the research section and you can see all of the ads that it has scraped, the top performing ads for this topic. It also gives us an entire summary on why the ads are working. So you can see here, these winning ads use long form, first person narrative copy built around relatable protagonist. Older men, 60 to 70s, experiencing dramatic physical decline, then discovering a single hidden solution, which is creatine coffee or cellular supplement blend. It gives us all of the top hooks. So what's working in the copy, the text underneath the ad. We have all of the emotional triggers that the top ads are using. We have the top CTAs, the image style of all of these ads. We have recommendations for our product on what we should do. We have headline patterns. This gives us everything an ad agency would take hours or weeks to do and would charge you probably $2,000 a month just for this. You can see in here, we can click down to the ads. If we click into one of them here, it gives us the entire details about the ad. Also, if we come over here to the creative section, we can now press generate ad and you can see we have a V1 here in which it generates the ad based on all of the top performing ads and it outputs this. So it uses Nano Banana to generate the images. It generates the ad copy and it tells us here why this ad is going to work. So you can see here, this one is a contrarian statement challenging conventional medical wisdom. My doctor said losing strength after 60 was inevitable. The 74-year-old squatting next to me disagreed. So you can see it using all of the emotional triggers and it gives you the entire ad copy right here. We can press generate new version and it should generate a V2 over here for us. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give you the exact one prompt template that it took me to build this entire system. That one prompt that we're going to use is this one right here. Again, I'm going to leave it down below. This is, as you can see, an 88-page prompt. So you're able to build this in just one go. So in order to build this, we're going to copy all of this, press Ctrl-Alt and just copy it. Now we need to use Claude Code. For me, I'd rather use it over here on Google Anti-Gravity. So if this is your first time using Claude Code, I'm going to very quickly speed run it. It's very simple. Just come over here to Google Anti-Gravity. You're going to download this for Mac. And when we download this, it's going to open up an app like this. After we've downloaded Anti-Gravity. Now over here in Anti-Gravity, we need to open up a folder on our computer so we can store everything that we do. We can store the code for the scrapers, for the dashboard, everything. So we're going to press open folder, and over here we need to find somewhere safe to store this folder. So for example, let's create a new folder over here in my document. Let's call it ad generator, and then we can press open on that folder. When we open that folder, it's going to bring us to a page like this. We just press yes, trust. And then over here, you can see we have that folder open, which is add generator. Now, if we want to get access to Claude, what we're going to do is come over here to extensions. I'm going to click in here. Now, over here in extensions, obviously we're going to have to look up Claude code. So let's look up Claude. It's going to bring up Claude like this, and you're just going to hit install. You'll know it's installed when you have Claude, as you can see down here. Now, to actually open Claude, we're going to come up here to the extension, hit the actual download, and you can see we have this little Claude button up here. Let's click open on that. Now I'm going to close everything else so we don't get confused. Claude, I'm going to close that. I'm going to close this. I'm just going to pop back up here to all of the files that we're about to generate. Now it really is just as simple as pasting in this one prompt that we copied, and this should do everything for us. It's 80 pages plus of a prompt. Now down here, what you want to do is select plan mode, so it gives it a chance to read through the file and plan out how exactly it's going to build this. I'm also going to choose over here, if we click this / command, you can see we can switch the model. I'm going to change to Opus 4.6. It's obviously the most capable version of Claude, and then we can send that off. Now, as we send that off, it's going to come back to us with some questions in which we have to say yes or no. But there is 3 things I know we're going to need, and it's 3 credentials to make sure all of this works. Now, obviously, Claude can do all of the coding for us, but stuff like scraping the ads analytics and the meta ads library, that's something that I've built into this, and we need an API for that. Now, it's very, very simple, and it's also free. So we're going to come back out here, and we're going to come over here to a place called Appify. Appify is basically just a marketplace for a bunch of different scrapers. So you can see here, there's Google Maps scrapers, website scrapers, TikTok scrapers, basically a scraper for anything you need. And for us, we need it for Facebook ads. So I'm going to look up here, Facebook ads. And over here, you can see the first one here is by Curious Coder. It's going to scrape the Facebook ad library, search results, and ads run by Facebook pages. It's fast and lightweight. So we're going to click in here, and this is basically going to do the job for us. The prompt that we've given Claude is going to use this exact scraper. So for us, we need to give it the API for this scraper. But just to show you what this scraper is, it's extremely cheap. It's 75 cents for 1,000 ads. You might only use 10 to 20 ads every time you use the actual scraper. So it's going to be extremely cheap. You can also see over here, Appify gives you $5 worth of free credits every single month. So you most likely will never have to pay for this. Now to get our API key, which is basically what we need, we're going to come down here to the settings. We're going to come over here to API and integrations. And I'm just going to copy this right here. I'm going to bring it back over here to anti-gravity. You can see Claude has gone through all of the stuff. It's asking us some questions. We're just going to press yes and auto accept, so it does everything for us. Now down here, I'm going to get the credentials ready. So I'm going to say here is the Appify key. Here's the Appify key, and your Appify key is going to be whatever it is. We also need 2 more keys. We need a Gemini key, so it's able to generate the Nano Banana images, and we need a Claude key, so it's able to generate the text for the post, because Claude is the best at that. So we're going to come back out here, and we're going to come over here to a place called aistudio.google.com. Now when you land over here on AI Studio, once you have a Google account, you'll be able to sign in. It's extremely easy. This also gives you free credit. So when you first sign up for Google Cloud, they're going to give you like $300 worth of free credits, which you'll probably never ever use. So we're going to press get API key down here in the bottom left. We're going to come up here and press create new API key, give it a name, press create key, and copy the key that it gives you. When it gives you that key, let's bring it back over here. Here is the Gemini key, and the last one we need is Claude, and we're basically done the entire system. Just as easy as that. So we're going to come over here to a place called Claude Platform. As you can see here, you're going to sign in with your account, come down here to where it says API keys, and again do the same process that we've just done on Google. Create key, copy it, bring it back over here to anti-gravity, and paste it in here. We continue to let anti-gravity work away. Alright, so after Claude code has finished, so you can see it's doing all of this thinking by itself, and then it outputs something like this, where it gives us the setup, tells us the API keys in which it needs, like the ones that we pasted in the chat here. That's when you would press enter, and it would basically have the entire thing up and running for you. Also over here, if we want to run the dashboard on our computer, it says just copy this into your terminal. So you just press copy on this, pull up this terminal right here, so the bottom just underneath the chat, pull this up and just paste it into here. So you'd paste that in here, press enter, and you can see now the port is running, and it's running right here on this URL. But Claude Code also tells us open this page on your computer. Now, you don't have to actually know how to do this. You could just tell Claude Code, I don't know what all of this is. Can you just run it and tell me where I should go? And it's going to do the entire thing for you. This is just a little bit extra, more developer-like for us. So we're going to click this, and you can see it's now opening a page, and it opens up this page that we've already made, which is the ad generator. We can also just run this from the chat. You can see you can follow these instructions if you just want to run the ad creator from here. I always think that the dashboard is a bit better. It's easier to use. You You can just drop the products in here by just press create new product, put in some information, and it's going to do basically everything for you. Now that's going to be it for this video, replacing a big chunk of what an ad agency does. You can do this, set this up for literally any company that runs ads, and it's going to be cheaper than an ad agency if you just charge them maybe 1,000 or 2,000 a month. If you want to get the prompts and everything I use in this video, click the second link in the description. If you want to learn from me on how I scaled my AI agency to over 100k per month selling stuff like this, click the first link in the description.